फैसलाबाद मार्च 2026 ensuring equal rights for minorities will strengthen Pakistan, says Akmal Bhatti, chairman MAP, addressing a large public gathering in Faisalabad. Akmal Bhatti stated that Pakistan can only progress when its minorities receive full constitutional, political, and social equality. He emphasized that the religious minorities of Pakistan are true citizens of the country, not Sunni or conquered people. The chairman of MAP said that comprehensive reforms in the minority electoral system are critical needed. The current system, which restricts minority parliamentary representation to party nominations, has undermined their constitutional voting rights. He reiterated that the nation has already rejected the old separate electorate system and it will not be allowed to return in any form. He proposed that increasing minority parliamentary seats, a fair delimitation, and a dual vote system would politically empower minorities and strengthen their role in democracy. These views were expressed at a public gathering organized to mark the 8th Foundation Day of Minorities Alliance Pakistan and the 15th martyrdom anniversary of Shehbaz Bhatti. Akmal Bhatti praised the current government for efforts made toward minority protection and for countering extremism and terrorism. He paid tribute to the martyrs of Pakistan armed forces and the police who laid down their lives defending the nation. He said the people, political leadership, and security institutions stand united as an iron wall against anti-state elements ready to offer any sacrifice for national security. He highlighted the misuse of certain sensitive religious laws, stressing the urgent need to stop such practices. He also expressed deep concerns over the ongoing forced religious conversions of underage girls and urged the government to legislate effectively to end this injustice. Bhatti called for a comprehensive federal policy to eliminate illiteracy and poverty among minorities, ensuring its implementation across all provinces. He said that Shehbaz Bhatti was a national asset who brought pride to Pakistan at the international level and urged the government to help carry forward his vision. The event was also addressed by Shamongil, Father Pervez, Emmanuel, Joseph Johnson, Nasir Bhatti, Nasir Ghani, Bishop Zahid Bashir, Shah Rasin, Shahid Alim, Javed Bhatti, and Annie Akil.